About ready, Trent? Yeah, we coming.
Okay. Need to get out right now.
All right. Hopefully wear your sweater and a coat, because they probably got to go outside, Trent. Yeah, Trent, you gotta put some pants on. I should put some pants on. Real quick, come on. Put one of your sweatpants on or something. I don't know if it might be raining outside, Trent, so we gotta hurry up and get prepared. That's why I said pants from the beginning. What's wrong? What's wrong with your toe? Trent, you're not even talking clearly. How am I supposed to know what's wrong? You didn't even tell me you hurt your toe. What did you do?
Nothing.
Why are you crying? I don't understand. You just mad you gotta put on pants?
Like 3 times.
Put your sweater on before you put that on, Trent. So you get prepared before you leave this room. Pick your sweater up, please. Come on, Trent. I don't want to do this either. Stop acting like you're the only one. Everybody in the facility has to go outside right now, so please. You don't have to take them shorts with you.
For gym.
You're not going to school. We're going outside for a fire drill. I'm just taking my backpack in case there actually is a fire. I don't want my paperwork and stuff getting burned up. I don't know if it's... Huh? I didn't tell you to grab everything. I just told you to put some pants on and get dressed to go outside.
I thought I was going to school.
No, it's a fire drill, Trent. You didn't hear the sirens going off? They just stopped. Come on, let's go. You didn't hear all them sirens going off. Oh, are we going outside or not?
Yeah, we still got to go out and get to the roll call. Then come back in.
Where everybody at? Are they?
No, because it's not active.
They don't get any message from me?
Yeah. Right after we found out.
Where to see online?
Right. Once we found out what it was,
Okay.
we went up there and told.
Otherwise, they would not be. Right.
Hey, we the last ones getting out of here, Trent. The whole facility evacuated. We would have burnt up.
Oh.
Y'all better make an announcement and tell people to stop burning their hair in the middle of the night.
Exactly.
You know, we've done a fire drill here before, Train. You know where to line up at. Right here.
601. Okay, 512. Thank you. 601. 602. 603. 604. Yeah. 605. 606. 607. 608. 609. 610. 611. 612. 701. 702. All right, one more time for 304.
Where your transportation at?
307.
How come you ain't got your backpack on?
You already said it, but I'm going to people who did not say nothing. 307.
It's probably the factories or something. Because the show ain't this place. This place sure ain't on fire.
Jay said somebody was burning their hair in the bathroom.
404. 405. 406.
Wow, somebody can do it.
And 411.
Don't say that.
You want some water, Train?
All right, so you're out here because we don't do hair in our rooms, okay? We do not do hair in our rooms for no reason. No flat irons, no blow dryers, no nothing with heat in your room. Okay,
Someone's doing it and set it off.
Okay.
The alarm set off. It's
What?
not.
Okay,
It's
you
not
can pack
Sam's
up.
fault at all.
You
We
can
have
pack
to
up.
vacate the building when the alarm go off. It does not matter what you're in the middle of, nor us, okay? So we could be in the middle of helping the family. We have to stop what we're doing to make sure everybody can have the building safely and working in this area. Please make sure you and your family make sure you're safe. The reason why you're asking for protection is because fire trucks are humongous. They swing in this way and come in through here. So we don't want you or your baby to run. So I'm not going to aggravate you, making the situation worse, or make you feel like I aggravate you. Because of safety, you are in your baby. Inside for that matter. Because we got babies too. We want to go home and see babies too. So at the end of the day, we want to be safe. We want to be safe and so family safe. So we apologize for not our fault, but I appreciate everybody who did not go off. I appreciate you understanding that we don't.
Coming. Mommy was sleeping.
No,
paper. Okay, wrap your baby in your coat. Whoever had the flat iron will need a PIL, 2 of them. Because this one's ignorant. But don't kick him out, but just give him a PIL. Shit. Shit, he gonna play, he grabbed bags and all. Right. Shit, I know that's something. Shit, I grabbed my phone though. Like, let me get this motherfucker. That was the place ever, and I came in here, dude.
I don't know. I'm trying to find her. I don't know if she went in or not.
Hold on, Marquis.
She might have already went in. Excuse me.
This is gayer than I could ever be on any level. I ain't know what's going
I don't know where she at, troublemaker. She could have got kidnapped. I wouldn't even know. What you doing, burning your hair in your room? Yeah. Stop burning your hair in your room in the middle of the night. She thought she had to get up and go to school. She didn't even hear the fire alarm.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
I was looking for you.
I went to go to school. She still ain't woke up. Look, she's still. Yeah. She thought she had to get up and go to school until like right before we came out there. She just. I was just laying down. I will. I won't. I won't forget. I won't. What? What's wrong with you? You mad? You act like you just got woke up by a fire alarm or something. She thought she had to go to school.
The girl said, "Give a fuck." They caught her.
Who?
This kid said, "You can pack your shit right
What?
now."
Where was they? Was it back here?
Yeah. No, the girl that said,
Yeah, said something. They made her leave.
that's what they saying, you know. That's security, guy. You know, security.
But people gotta understand. They gotta follow safety guidelines. When it's a fire alarm, everybody gotta get out. Ain't no matter what you doing in here, you gotta get out.
Yeah.
People need to stop burning their hair though. You can go back to sleep.
I can.
You will. Good night. I love you.